Hey guys, we're back with another vlog. Today we were going to do something at the skate park, but it started raining and hailing and now everything's wet.
Yeah, so we're just riding straight
at the laundromat. If you watch Jarvis's vlogs, you would know all about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll show you around the laundromat. So guys, the laundromat is basically just like a ledge. So it's not much to show you, but and that's how wet it is.
Yeah.
It literally was dry. And then, like, look at that. It's flowing. It's like a river. So, guys, Josh and I have decided to do a trick challenge game thing where it's basically best of 3 landing tricks. So, we'll rock off to see who chooses the trick that we can't do first. And then if you land the trick first, you get the point, and then it's the other person's turn to choose a trick, if that makes sense. Well, anyway, you'll see, because we're going to do it now.
Alright guys, we're going to rock off, so yeah.
Alright, Josh chooses trick first.
Hurricane down whip off.
Okay. So guys, Josh also gets to do the trick first. So let's see him do it. Ooh, pretty sketch, but we'll count it. Let's make it, if they land it first try, we have to land it to match them. Then it's a draw.
Yeah. Alright guys, and by the way, honestly, I've only landed that once before, and I wasn't landing it at all. And just then I probably got a bit lucky. So yeah, Luke's going. And Luke, best advice I can give you is do the down whip. Do the down whip as quick as you can. Once you turn. Alright guys, shut up.
I watched this earlier. It's so slippery.
Yeah.
It's basically butter.
And by the way, Luke, you should, don't worry. Right.
I'm gonna do a.
And we can do like tricks off as well. So I'm gonna
grind 360 off, fever 3 off.
By the way, guys, I'm on 1 point, Luke's on nothing. So
I'm on a big zunka.
Zunky Zunka, like big Zunky Jacob.
Ooh, close.
Wait, grind 3.
Let's go, Josh. Oh, because he's been the other way.
Yeah.
So Josh can do that. So he just won. So that was very.
Quick. That was quicker than I thought it would be.
Yeah. So I think we'll just get some clips on the this buttery ledge here. Yep.
Doing 3. Good. Yes, sketchy, but I'll count it.
Yeah, it was nice. So guys, we're just gonna get a couple more clips here, then we will move on somewhere else, away from the laundromat.
Yeah.
And by the way, this isn't actually the laundromat. Laundromat's next door, just there. Yeah. So now just gonna double it flat for us.
Yeah. Probably won't land it first try, but I'll give it a shot.
Give it a red hot crack.
Step on the wheel.
Yeah, I heard that. On again. Okay. Alright now. If he does, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Yes. Let's go somewhere else. So guys, Josh went home. I went home because it was rainy and it was really boring. There was nothing to do. So now, I'm at my house, in my shed, and I have a box, I have like an A-frame. I will be getting a rail, and I wish if I had a half pipe, which I probably will never have. But yep, I'll show you around. The A-frame here, it's not actually done yet, but yeah, there's not that much in my shed, but Then you just got that box there, some flat stuff. That's all tools that we're working. Oh yeah, there's my bikes. I also ride bikes. That's basically my shed. Wax. So guys, I just think I'll show you this because you'll probably see it later on in my future vlogs. But I have a little outdoor park. It's not focusing. Well anyway, that long thing there, it's basically just a pipe which I grind on. Why is it not focusing? Well anyway, and this one here is just like a little also rail, and over there that's just a little bit of wood that I like to sometimes do stuff on, so you'll probably see these things in my future vlogs. Now into the clips. So guys, I am going to get probably three tricks, which is grind, like feeble whip, feeble bar, and then hurricane, Oppo 180 off. Bought Oppo for me. Yep, let's get them. So guys, thanks for watching. Gonna end the vlog here. Bye.